Hello, I'm Ben Messenger for Waste Management World. We're at the RWM show in Birmingham, and I'm on the Presona stand with Ulla. Ulla, can you tell us a bit about Presona?
I can. Presona is a Swedish company. We have been manufacturing balers for many decades. We started in the 40s already, and we produce our backbone is the pre-press technology, balers, and here is the latest member of the LP series balers. It's called the LP85VH, and we are showing it here for the first time. So this is a product launch, and we are very proud to show this machine here.
So Ulla, I've seen several Presona machines before, and this is new to me. Can you tell me what it is?
Yes, it's quite new. This is a quite new design, and we haven't seen it before. But we have been thinking a lot about how to do this in the best and most efficient way. So we decided to go with 2 cylinders, pulling cylinders, heavy-duty cylinders, one on each side of the friction, and this is to safeguard or to make sure that the bales get as heavy as possible, right, and also to avoid a distortion of bales. Because and that happens if the fillings are uneven and the material is slightly on one side of the chamber. You can, with a normal system with only 1 cylinder and a link arm system, you can get distorted bales. The bales coming out of this machine are like perfect sugar cubes. They're really very edgy. So that's the reason. And also, of course, the bale density is really important for our customers, because they have fewer bales to handle. The wire consumption will go down. They will have a more efficient. They will load out the vehicles or the containers.
I understand you've also been working quite hard on energy consumption with this machine.
Yeah, we have. Our balers, all Presona balers, are equipped with a pre-press technology. That means that we don't. There is no need to use knives or anything cutting the material, the surplus material in the press chamber. And because we think that's a waste of energy. It doesn't bring anything to the compaction process at all. So we use, I can say not 100% because that's not possible, but I can say all the energy we put in, we are using in the compaction process itself. So that means that we can compare it, I must say, to traditional balers, shear balers, we call them. We can do the same kind the same amount of material with much less motorization, which obviously gives a much more energy efficient operation.
So Ulla, I know Presona are renowned for their energy efficient machines, but I see you've added a frequency control. Could you tell us about that?
Yes. This is a step in our aim to be the most energy efficient baler on the market ever. So this one here, when the baler is working, there are always minutes or half hours when the baler is waiting for material. With this device that you can have as an option on all LP series balers, that waiting time will not cost any energy, more or less, because this ramps down the motors so they run with the lowest possible RPM, so to say. Without this one, the motors run at full speed all the time, and if you don't feed material to the machine, that is just a waste of energy. So this is to even further reduce the energy consumption.
So now I'm with Stefan. Stefan, I understand you can tell us more about the development of this machine.
Yeah, the reason why we have made this development project is to make the most efficient baler we can do. And then we have not only looked into make the best high density of a baler or most capacity, but also look into the total lifetime of the machine. So analyzing all the different aspects from transport to commissioning to operation and e-consumption, service and maintenance, to optimize that to make the absolute most cost-efficient baler for our customers, help them make the best profit. That has been our objective.
I notice it's also a very sleek looking machine. There's not many pipes on the outside and it's all very sealed. How did that come about?
Yeah, to make a baler that is so complete as possible from beginning. So we don't have to add any platforms or equipment around it to make it as complete as possible from the supply. That's the target. So that's why you have this very sleek design and yeah, everything is complete.
That's great. Stefan, it's great. Are we going to wrap it up here? Or?
Yep.
So Stefan, you can see it's a really interesting piece of equipment. Where can our viewers go to find out more about it?
If you would like to get more information about the machine and the Presona itself, please visit us at presona.com. And then you will have all contact information to contact us.
Stefan, thanks for your time. It's been
Thank you very
fascinating.
much. Thank you.